Hello students, today discuss dissolution of the partnership firm, the accounting procedure. Accounting procedure is the first step, a realizations account. A realization account is a nominal account. Expenses, losses debit, income and gains are credit. Now, which items are shown realizations account debit side, which items are shown realizations account credit side. Now their format are given. Discuss one by one. Now first, all assets transferred to realizations account debit side except cash in hand, cash at bank, profit and loss account debit balance, or partners capital account or current account, any fictitious assets except these are the all assets show debit side. Say land, building, plant, machinery, furniture show inner column, total items show outer column at their book value. Sundry debtors also their original value show inner column, then show outer column. Second step, all liabilities. Which liabilities? Current liabilities are shown in the credit side except credit balance of profit and loss account, undistributed profit reserve, partners capital account, current account or loan from partners. These are shown credit sides. Okay, the second journal entry, that is this liabilities account debit to realizations account. First journal entry, realization account debit to land, building, plant, machinery, furniture, etc. Third journal entry, any expenses or liabilities, current liabilities paid as per rules not mentioned in the question, then immediately payment their current liabilities. Then journal entry, realization account debit to cash or bank account. Now they are common journal entry, any liabilities paid or expenses paid or unrecorded liabilities paid. So outer column, inner column your items, liabilities amount, expenses, unrecorded, total show outer column. Okay. Now provisions for bad debt is provisions for any assets are shown credit side. That means such as provisions for doubtful debt, provisions for depreciation, etc. Now next, any assets realized or unrecorded assets realized, then show credit side by cash or bank account. Amount realized from all assets sale in the market or unrecorded assets also sold in the market. These are recorded realization account credit side. Okay. Now any partners assets taken over. Assets taken over by any partner. Partner is the personal account, receiver the debit. But in this case, transfer to realization account, then journal entry, partners capital account debit to realization account. Again repeat, any assets taken by the partner, then realization account show credit side by partners capital account. Okay, just opposite, any liabilities paid by the partner, then show realization account debit side. Realization account debit to partners capital account, any liabilities taken over by the any partner. Suppose Mr. X payment there any liabilities, then journal entry realization account debit to Mr. X account. Okay. Now last, there any debit balance or credit balance is represent profit or loss on realization account. But in case of credit side is greater, then partners capital account, so that is the for profit. This is the for profit on this realizations account. Just opposite, in case of debit side is greater than loss. Okay. Now just only all students you remember, again repeat, there in your finger there are 5. First, all assets transfer debit sides. Second step, all liabilities, current liabilities transfer. Third step, any current liabilities or expenses paid, any assets realized, then also show credit sides. Okay. Now fourth step, assets taken over by any partner or liabilities taken over by any partner. And fifth step, either profit or loss on realization account. In case of profit, debit side; in case of loss, credit sides. Okay, now let us one example how to the journal entries, in this case dissolution of the partnership firm. Now one example of dissolution of partnership firm. In the board come 6 marks, 6 journal entry, 6 marks. Now the questions: pass the necessary journal entries for the following transaction on the dissolution of the firm of A and B after the various other than cash and outside liabilities have been transferred to realizations account. Okay, only pass the necessary journal entries. Your duty, you just open date, particulars, amount, debit, credit, only journal entries are passed. 6 cases are given. Mr. A, first transaction, Mr. A agreed to pay off his brother's loan. Brother's loan, rupees 10,000. Brother's loan means outside. Number 2, debtors realized rupees 12,000. Number 3, Mr. B took over all investment at rupees 12,000. Point number 4, transaction, sundry creditors rupees 20,000 were paid at 5% discount. Number 5, realization expenses amounted to rupees 2,000. Number 6, transaction, loss on realization rupees 10,200. This loss divided A and B in their ratio 2:1. This is the question. Now marking scheme 1 into 6, 6 journal entry, 6 marks. Now first case, case number 1, just you open the date, particulars, ledger folio, debit and credit. Only the first journal entry, realization, Mr. A agreed to pay off his brother's loan. Brother's loan, outside liabilities. Now in this case the journal entry, first journal entry, number 1 case journal entry, realizations account debit to realizations account debit to A's capital account. A's capital account, this amount 10,000. Why? That means Mr. A brothers is the outside, then payment, the narration being A's agreed to pay off his brother's loan. Journal entry, realization account debit to A's capital account, 10,000, 10,000. Understand? Second case, debtors realized rupees 12,000. Debtors realized means cash comes in, cash account debit to realizations account or bank account debit to realizations account. That means journal entry, cash account debit to realizations account. Okay, understand everybody? Point number 3, Mr. B took over all investment at rupees 12,000. The Mr. B is the personal account, receiver debit, the Mr. B's account debit to realizations account. Mr. B's account debit to realizations account. Third case journal entry. Now fourth, sundry creditors rupees 20,000 were paid at 5% discount. 5% discount only paid, that means 20,000. 5% means 5% of rupees 20,000, that is 1,000 minus, that is equal to 19,000. It should be a liabilities, current liabilities paid. Then journal entry, realization account debit to realization account debit to cash or bank account. Okay. Point number 5, realization expenses. Same also, expenses means paid, cash goes out, for which purpose? Realization purpose. Journal entry, realization account debit to cash or bank account. Okay. Now last, either profit or loss is a very important, every year come in this. Point number 6, either profit or loss. In this case, loss journal entry, who is the partner? A and B. Now A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to realizations account. How to find out? That is 2/3 into 10,200 and 1/3 into 10,200. Now that is equal to 1/3 means A given 3,400 and B 6,800. Okay, now then journal entry again repeat. A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to realizations account. But in case of profit, opposite journal entry. Realizations account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. These questions come in the board 2011 outside Delhi CBSE. Okay, everybody understand? Next class discuss again another types of important questions. Thank you.